All right, so this wants to be a bit of a point of situation with all the stuff that I have online. Obviously, this channel, the YouTube channel is all free. I got to about 4,500 followers now, subscribers, whatever you want to call them. And thank you for all the good feedback that I received in the last few months. There are quite a few things that are free on my website, and I just wanted to put them all in the same video, because they are a bit scattered in quite a few videos. So I wanted to make one video and put most of the links of the things that are free on my website that you can download for free. Of course, this channel is all free, regardless. The YouTube channel is all free. You can browse it, check out all the lessons. Thank you again for all the positive feedback that I've had in the last 15 years, I guess, since 2007, 8. I think I uploaded the first video on here, and on and off, I think I've got back to being a bit more consistent with the uploading. It feels that the platform is now a bit more, there's more to do. There's more, you can upload shorts, you can upload full videos. There are, high HD, Ultra HD quality. There's quite a bit to do. So there's, but anyway, so of course, as I said, this channel is free. But if you and all the links that I'm going to mention today, they'll be in the description and in a pinned comment. So check those links, please. Of course, the main page on my website, giannichiarello.com. In my main page, you are able to listen to my albums. Some of these are quite old. I have another page on SoundCloud where there are more things, also like live bits and demos and stuff like that. Okay, so the first page on my website is these YouTube lessons. Here you will be able to find some links to the YouTube channel with all the the printouts, PDFs, and all the relevant stuff that goes with the particular video. But there are other lessons that are just like text, okay, and there are plenty here. You can see there's a full page of lessons. So definitely check this out. There will be a link in the description and a pinned comment. The second one, of course, is the modelers, the patches for modelers. So far I've done Helix, NAM, and Tonex. And these are free. There are about 50 patches for the Helix, about 10 for Neural and Modeler. That are, copies of my pedals and other things that I have. And compressors, and then the Tonex, which is quite recent. There are like just 10 patches, and I will continue to build this, so keep an eye on this. Occasionally re-download it, there might be new patches. Of course, you're more than welcome to make a donation. There is not, it's optional, but it keeps the channel going. It's one of the ways that you can support the channel. The next one, this has been on my website for ages, and it's basically the Guitar Kit Lite. One of the products that I sell is called the Guitar Kit. And it has hundreds of templates for guitar, scales, blank templates, neck templates, chords. There's a chord vocabulary. It's a huge thing, and it's more in my shop page. I will show you in a minute. But here, this is the Lite version of it. It has a selection of I can probably show you, and it has a selection of templates. Not only that, but when you download it, this is purely for my mailing list subscribers. I have about 4,000 at the moment, but I have decided that I very rarely send out a mailing list unless I have some new music, a new ebook, or something really relevant to say. All the stuff I usually say through my YouTube channel, if it's something generic, so to speak. It's rare that I send out emails. And again, a few people ask me what I do with the emails from the patches, the modular patches. I don't do anything. I don't use them. I don't add them to a mailing list or anything like that. They're just for you to receive the download link. This is the welcome zip file when you sign up to the mailing list, and you have one track from my albums. Entwine is my old album from 2009. It's like a fusion trio. Breaking Point is from my latest one, which now is 10 years old. I should probably record some new tunes. And this is one track from the blues energy blues tracks, just some backing tracks to jam over. I will talk about them in a second. There's a link to a shop, and this is the actual guitar kit Lite. So you can see here there are templates, blank templates, and there are templates with neck, basic chord chart, 7 chord shapes, pentatonic scales, major scales, and so on. This is, again, a very, very small selection. Then there is the link to the bigger version of it, the Guitar Kit Pro, which is for sale. Actually, at the moment, it's for sale for $5. You can't even get a coffee nowadays for that money. So, so this is obviously outdated, on a data price. Talking about blank templates, this is a link to another set of templates which is completely free. You don't have to sign up for anything. And these are templates for guitars that have 7 strings. They're quite popular in the metal world, but I see that they're coming back also in the jazz world. So a while back, like you say, 2013, so this is quite a while back, nearly 10 years ago, if not over 10 years ago, I made a very small version of, and let me find, a very small version of that, the Guitar Kit Lite, for 7 strings guitars, 7-string guitars. So you will have the neck shapes. Again, this is a JPEG version of that. Tablature with 7 lines, which obviously they're not quite easy to find. And then again, the same like traditional notation plus tablature with 7 lines, which again is quite not quite easy to find. Disregard the link at the bottom. True Guitarist was the previous name. I had multiple, let's call them websites, educational websites. One was True Guitarist. I took everything and I merged everything into my personal website because it was easier to deal with, so to speak, to manage. I will add a link to the blues tracks. I made recently a video on the fact that I have 7 sets of backing tracks. And these are not just generic backing tracks. Each set is in every key, and it goes through 12 keys and different tempos. Apart from 2 sets, they're just purely 12-bar blues in every key and slow blues in every key. But in general, there will be a theme, so it'll be like a rock blues set or a funk set, and again, these are all on Spotify and all the online, streaming site. If you go actually if you go at the bottom of the page on my shop page, you will be able to listen to and jam along one track from each set, so you will get an idea. But then again, as I said, nowadays everything is streaming, so you will get these tracks, all of them, on a streaming site. And again, if you want to buy them, feel free. They're all part of that bundle deal at the top on my shop page, where you get most of my products for $15 plus a donation if you want to make it. And as of now, on other sites, if you went on like Amazon.com or something like that, these would be over $150 if you bought the whole thing, so to speak. Yeah, and obviously there's a page where you can download the relevant chart for that backing track. So if you're playing over a particular backing track, you can go on this page, and again, the link will be in the description and the pinned comment, and download the relevant chart for that. That's pretty much it, really. I just wanted to make a video where all the free stuff there, the main stuff that is. Well, I'm sure there are other bits and bobs that I've forgotten about, because obviously I've been adding onto this website and on my YouTube channel and all the other stuff online for over 15 years now. 2008, that would be a good 16 years. So yeah, feel free to browse, feel free to download. Remember, actually, on another thing that you could use in my shop page, each ebook, I've written a series of instructional ebook for like jazz, blues, and other styles, quite modern, most of them. They have a sample pack, so basically you can download a fraction of that book with some lessons and MP3s. So again, that could be a way for you to get some free lessons free material for you to practice. So each one of these will have, apart from, I think, the guitar kit, because obviously the guitar kit Lite is only for the mailing list. But each one of these will have a free sample that you can download, and you can get some material to practice over, and some material to study, or whatever you want to call it these days. Well, all right then. Just wanted to make this little video with all, or at least most, of the free stuff that you can find on my website. As always, feel free to share it as social media, send it to a friend, put it on any online forum. That's very much appreciated, and it's very much appreciated all the donations that you've made for the patches, or all the other products that I've made online. And again, like, subscribe. My next goal is to get to 5,000 subscribers. Everything is appreciated, and yeah, that's pretty much it, really. Take care. Bye bye.